From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And hi everybody, Ryan Breton here with your Campus Weather Service forecast on this Monday. Actually following a lot in the weather this week. We brushed by a bit of snow overnight, especially to our south through the Laurel Highlands. And then a brief warm-up is going to follow during the middle part of the week before we go right back to bad habits in terms of the cold air that's going to move back in for the weekend. Right now, taking a look at the temperatures up and down the East Coast, a lot of cold here through the north, but there's plenty of warmth pushing up from the south. And along that boundary, we have our next storm system that's forming at this time, now cutting through the Midwest. It brought snow to Chicago this morning, and now that snow is beginning to push toward Pennsylvania, and that's what we're going to see move into our area tonight. It was sunny through a lot of the morning and even early and mid-afternoon, but clouds moving into western Pennsylvania will continue to thicken up and move into central PA overnight tonight. Now, if you take a look at the track of this snow, most of it's going to move to our south, but we'll be brushed by this northern edge that's going to move through southwestern and south central parts of Pennsylvania overnight tonight, bringing no more to a coating to perhaps an inch or so up in some of the Laurel Highlands, but we will see some snow in places overnight tonight. Let's take a look at this here on future weather. Starting at 9 o'clock this evening, temperatures below freezing in a lot of western Pennsylvania. And take a look at this, snow entering the Laurel Highlands, and it'll be snowing in Pittsburgh at that point as well. This snow will continue to move east, and again, it'll be brushing Center County overnight, so it's not a guarantee that we see snow here in State College, but I certainly expect at least a chance of a few flurries and snow showers overnight, which may amount to a coating here in State College. Again, most of the accumulation down to our south, Johnstown, Altoona, into Bedford, those are areas that could see a coating to an inch. But by tomorrow morning, most of that's over with, but it'll be very cold. 24 in State College at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and in the teens from Bradford to Erie as well. So another very cold day coming up during the day tomorrow. All of this will move out during the afternoon, and we'll actually find increasing sunshine. And it'll turn into a fairly decent day with temperatures in the 40s through a lot of the state during the afternoon. 45 in Harrisburg, 43 in State College around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Then we'll clear back out tomorrow night, and then our next system approaches on Wednesday, and this is actually on the leading edge of some warmer air. However, this is the projection for 8 o'clock Wednesday morning, and as this precipitation comes in, it may be just cold enough, as you see some areas of pink in here, for some light freezing rain and freezing drizzle early Wednesday morning. It will depend on how quickly the precipitation moves in and how much cold air remains in place, but as you can see, with temperatures near freezing, that's something we're going to have to monitor Wednesday morning. Then on the other side of this, it will warm up considerably. Look at this, by Wednesday midday, already in the 50s in Pittsburgh, and that's the kind of air that's going to be moving into central PA eventually, though it will take much of the day on Wednesday and probably not until Thursday till we realize the full potential of that warmth. But first, the forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy, a flurry or snow shower, lows in the 20s overnight. Tomorrow, there may be a flurry or snow shower very early in the day, but increasing sunshine through a lot of the day with highs in the low 40s. And we can take a look at how the temperatures break down tomorrow, again, starting in the 20s with a chance of a few flurries in the morning. And then as we go through the day, we'll find increasing clouds and temperatures that will rise into the lower part of the 40s. So much better, certainly, when compared to the weather that we're seeing out there today. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. Again, chance of some freezing rain early on Wednesday. That's something that we're going to have to monitor over the next couple of days. And then it will turn very mild here on Thursday with highs in the low 60s, but it's very short-lived. Check this out, 40s by Friday and back into the 30s to begin the weekend on Saturday. That's my latest forecast for right now. Hope you have a great night.